Where are we?
Vegas.
Can you tell by the slots in the airport?
That's pretty funny. So I can't wait to gamble.
Do it as
right
soon
here.
as you land. Before you even touch the ground of like the dirt.
Yeah.
Well, that's Vegas. That was a really easy flight. Really nice. I actually couldn't keep my eyes open, which never happens on a plane.
Yeah.
You know, normally
it
I'm
was
like,
smooth.
yeah. Our memory card or the GoPro or something's having issues, and it'll just sometimes stop recording. It just stops. I thought I was asking it too. But anyway, I don't know where it cut me off, but I was saying that we had a car rental through Turo. Oh, Krispy Kreme. We had a car rental through Turo, and I booked it on like Wednesday or something, and today's Saturday. Maybe I booked it Tuesday. And then on Thursday, they said my account was on hold because they couldn't verify my license. Because apparently they had put Austin's license on my account. I don't know why. And so then they canceled our reservation yesterday morning. So now we have no car. So we have to go to the car rental counters to try to find one. Hopefully they're not going to be like $200.
Yeah.
I'm sure it won't be that much, but we did have a $40 rental, and I'm sure it's going to be more than that now. So we went around to all the different counters to try to find the cheapest, and we checked a few of them online too. And a lot of them like didn't even have availability, but we found one at budget for $70, and that was like at least $15 cheaper than anywhere else. So now we're just waiting for our car.
There are lots of basketball tournaments happening right now.
Yeah. Got our car. It's a gray Kia Soul. It's really cute, and I like it. And we just finished going around it and making sure that it like is in good condition or whatever. It's all scratched and scuffed up, but no like major issues. What do you think of it?
It's cute.
We kind of slightly considered getting a Kia Soul, but Austin, I don't know, you like the car, but you don't really like want one.
No, right? I don't really want one.
They're cheap though, so I like cheap.
We have to get the paper.
Oh, okay, we gotta do things now. But now we're gonna head to the Flamingo and pick Sonia up, and then I think we're gonna go to a grocery store, get a picture at the Las Vegas sign, Hoover Dam, and Red Rock Canyon. Hopefully we have time for everything. It's like 11 or 10:30 already.
We're here.
Oh, there's the Rio. That's where our show is tonight. I think we're seeing the back side of the strip right now because we're on the highway. So I think that's the blow-in reel, right?
I don't know.
It's pretty. There's Caesar's Palace.
Looks like.
Wow, it's so big. Oh, I see a flamingo. I see it. It's not nearly as huge as Caesar's Palace. But Caesar's Palace owns Flamingo also, so. Oh, the landscaping's pretty.
Yeah.
There's the, oh my gosh, I don't even know what it's called. High roller. The high roller at the LINQ. And our hotel's right there, so we'll have, well, I don't know if we'll have a view of it, but that'd be kind of cool. Actually, I don't know if it would, because then we'd see all this dirt. I wonder what they're building. So we're lost right now, trying to get back to the Flamingo. I can see it, but I can't reach it. Say hi, team.
Hi, team. Hi, team.
Mark, Sonia, Russ.
Go, team, go.
Sign. But we're on the wrong side of it, clearly. What are you doing?
Getting a video of us.
We stopped at Winco, and we got groceries, and now we're headed to the Hoover Dam.
What? Just need salt.
I know, we need salt.
Nope.
You guys are boring. Do you feel awkward in the camera? Yes. Yeah. I'm making them very uncomfortable.
No
Stop.
parking. It says
Hoover time.
Hoover time.
Well, look at that, look at this cable thing. What is it?
How much is it to get in?
You have to pay $10 to park.
Where do I park? Is it left?
I'm not sure.
Yes. It
yes.
says cars and tour buses.
Okay, so I heard, fun fact, not fun, sad fact. It's either almost 100 or over 100 people died building the Hoover Dam.
Oh, I'm sure.
What? For real?
Oh, we're gonna go in the past. So there's Nevada time. Future? I don't know. So Nevada time, it's 1:17. And then over there, when we cross the state border, hold on, let me point. Where is it? Over there. It says it has a clock and it has Arizona time, and they're like an hour in the future. Oh my word. Mark, come look down here. You good?
This part is
wow.
In Oregon. That, like,
Oh, look at so the water's really low right now, or?
I think
Is that
I think that's the net for the fishes.
Oh.
And then yeah, I think the water's.
But so is the water low?
Looks like it.
Interesting.
Mark's just dealing with his vertigo issue. That's great.
Yeah, it's a desert.
We made it. We're in the Red Rock Canyon Conservation Area. It apparently closes at 5 and it's like, what time? 3:30. It's so pretty. Which one? That one right there? It seems like a Joseph? Okay, that cactus there is Joseph. We are at the Red Rock... Bjorn? That's a good name. The one over there is Bjorn. We are at Red Rock Canyon and we're at the visitor center right now, and just listen to how quiet it is. So quiet. We're just hanging out in Red Rock Canyon, getting those pics for the gram. So he's got portrait mode. We got some cool pictures.
Look at there's the guy rock.
Where?
Right there.
Oh, see the guy on the rock over there? Climbing? Oh, and I'm gonna trip and fall because I'm not watching where I'm going. Can't get over how pretty it is. So this scenic loop is a one-way road and we missed our turn and Austin won't go backwards. So we're reversing because the only other option is to drive all the way around again. It's 13 miles and the little like fee entrance area closes at 5. So they won't even let us back in. So I spotted wildlife. There are 2 deer out there. Maybe 3 deer. 4 deer. There's a lot of deer. We found the petroglyph wall trail and now we're walking it after going backwards and Sonia and Austin getting really stressed out because they were paranoid about what people would be thinking.
Because I'm the one driving.
I'm stressed like by osmosis.
Yeah.
Sonia was soaking up Austin's stress and I was just laughing at them.
Sympathy stress.
But I saw, oh gosh, twisted my ankle, we're good. I saw a little herd of like 4 deer and a jackrabbit. So, but I want to see a rattlesnake. Yeah, they're nocturnal, right? So they might start coming out since it's like 5:30 or something. The sun's going down. Is that the petroglyph wall? I don't see petroglyphs. Oh, here's a, okay. I see a cave thingy. Can you see the petroglyphs right there? And there's water flowing somewhere.
Yeah, you see the black.
You can see, oh yeah, that's water flowing. Wow. Did you find any snakes?
No.
You wagon.
I flipped over a bunch of rocks. I didn't find anything.
Sonny and I were freezing, so we raced back to the car. And Austin tried to find snakes and scorpions. We can't find any. Well, this video, it never looks as good on the camera, but just seeing the strip all lit up looks pretty cool. We went to Albertsons and got cold groceries. You want to be able to see me in the video? Thank you. And now we are headed to go check in finally. And then try to figure out what we're doing for dinner. Apparently we have a group of 7, so. I'm standing at the entrance of our room, and there's like this frosted glass for the bathroom. And then look at this bed.
Look at the bathroom
That's
door.
ridiculous. And the bathroom door.
No privacy in the bathroom.
Oh my gosh, this is silly. Huge bathroom. Huge. I've never seen this big a bathroom in a hotel. And look at all the pink. Oh, what's this? What's this? What is that?
So they can watch you while you...
Yeah, for real. What is this? I don't know what this is.
Is that the remote for it?
Oh my gosh. Ew, I don't want to touch this at all. There's a TV in our bathroom here. What? So we have a bathtub with no curtain. I guess that makes sense for a bathtub. And a shower. Cool shower. Do it. Do the thing. Do the thing. Okay, he's gonna press this button over here, and then the curtains move.
Do that or both.
Both of them. This is a cool little sitting area for sure.
Yeah.
Oh, look at our tiny baby fridge. And the tiny little coffee maker. Oh, here's the room service. Let's see what the view is. Oh, snap.
Crazy.
Look at that view. I hope there's not too bad of a glare. Look at it. Oh, so pretty. It says Flamingo. So I think Sonia and Russ are over there. We're on the 27th floor, which is the second from the top.
Wave to each other, be like,
Wouldn't that be cool if their room was across here?
Yeah.
Hi. We are seeing so many Ford Mustang convertibles. Like if you're visiting Las Vegas and you get a car rental, apparently you get a convertible Ford Mustang. So we're at the Rio finally after a whole parking hassle that I'll explain. So at the Flamingo you get 1 hour of free parking. So we parked the rental car and just checked in, found our room, which took a while because it was confusing to find the room. Walked out, walked to the parking garage. It's a big hotel, so it takes a while to walk around. Anyway, we checked, our parking ticket said 6:42, and when we got to the exit thing, it was 7:44. So we were 2 or 3 minutes late. I don't know. I don't know how they count it, 59 minutes or 1 hour. But anyway, we were hardly late. And the reason why we were late, we would have been right on time, but we were parked on the 7th floor of a parking garage, stuck behind this white SUV. They had no idea what they were doing. They were very lost, and they kept stopping. They just stop, and then they'd roll, and they'd stop, and you can't drive past. It's skinny. So anyway, when we got there, he said we were 2 minutes late, and it was going to charge us $9. $9 for 2 minutes, or 3 minutes, something like that. And so we pressed the call for assistance button, and the lady's like, "Sorry, I can't do anything." That's what it is. I was like, there's not a 5-minute grace period, or you can't excuse it because she said got stuck. Yeah, she said. Oh, what's up there?
They're writing it.
Oh, that's a zip line.
Yeah, that's why they're screaming.
Oh my gosh, that light is a zip line. We can do that zip line. But anyway, and she said, I can't do that unless there's a reason. And I said, I do have a reason. We were stuck behind this SUV. Like, look at your security cameras. She's like, I can't do it. Oh my goodness. But anyway, we're at the Rio now, and we're getting ready to go into our show, and maybe that's the line for it. Wow. So we just watched World of Wonder at Rio, and we loved it. It was very stressful. What did you think?
Yeah, it was very stressful.
Very stressful.
Best male review.
But it was a lot of fun. And cheesy parts, of course, because, you know, when they're not cheesy parts, but highly recommend it. And there's this like older, she's got to be like in her 70s, maybe even older, I don't know, definitely older lady who does like a trick with arrows, like she shoots bow and arrow, and it's a very impressive trick. So she does this really impressive trick, and Sonia and I have decided that she is our grandma of the desert, our desert grandma.
Desert grandma.
Desert grandma.
And so we took a picture with her, and it was great. It was like meeting a famous person. Sonia's starstruck. How do you feel about her?
I'm ready for her to adopt me and
Sonia
become
asked-
one of the clan.
Sonia asked if she'd adopt like we walk up to take a picture with her, and Sonia goes, "Will you adopt me?"
Hey!